Hi, welcome back. So glad you're here. So I just released a brand new digital kit in my Ko-fi shop. It's called the Denim Patchwork Folio, and it's a mini folio. It's under 3 inches. We're going to put it together. So this is just the base I cut out. And yeah, so it's not even 3 inches and by a little under 4. So it's a little guy, and I love mini things. I do a lot of mini doll houses and different things, and I haven't really done any mini paper. So I thought this might be fun. And the denim, I ended up loving it. I really love it on with this. So let me just show you the paper. This is the base. That's going to be our folio, and then some pockets and little angle pockets and little tassels and some note cards with gingham tabs. So the collection is definitely a country vibe, patchwork, and so this page is included if you want to print some of the things on with the gingham in the different colors. You can do that. What I did was I printed the denim on the back of this page, and on the back of this page I printed the patchwork when I cut everything out. So let's go ahead and just get started putting it together. And so, like I said, I cut this out already, and all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and just fold right on the lines. So just fold in your two sides here, and you're going to make a little pocket, and then you're folding, and it's a tri-fold. So we can glue down the pocket right here. Just put a little glue on your tabs and push down. And then there's this flip page, and you can put it either way, you know, whatever you want. Like I said, I did the patchwork on the back, and I'm gonna keep it this way, but you can put any paper you like on the back, and that's gonna be a flip. And you're just gonna line it right up to the fold line, just so everything can fold still, and it should fit. But if you didn't, maybe not trim it. If you need to trim it a little more, but it should be okay. And then for inside here, I was thinking of this corner pocket, which is so cute with the blue flowers, and so let me go ahead and do that. And I don't know what you guys think of little mini things, but I just think that they're fun. And then you can add them right inside another journal or in an envelope when you're mailing something. So, plus you don't have to print a lot of paper. I mean, it's on, 2 sheets. The other sheets are background papers. So really, that's kind of nice too. And let's see. So we have our pocket here, and then we have some little tags we can put in. There's a little butterfly. I thought maybe we could, and the butterfly, because depending on which side, they're yellow and pink, but when I printed on the back, it was really kind of cute, the patchwork. So that I can put there. And let's see what we want to do. Maybe here we can add one of the pockets. You know what, I think I wanted to, I'm going to put it here. I was going to do a straight pocket on the front. I'll show you. So this, and then this is just a little denim pocket both sides, because one side is the pocket and the other side I printed the back on. But so I'm going to just double up this pocket, and I'm just lining it up to the bottom and the side. And now you have a double angle pocket here, and then an angle pocket here. And here what I want to do, these are little pockets with lace and a little bow, and I thought I would put one right there. So I'm just going to put some glue on the sides and the bottom, and go ahead and put a pocket there. And if you do need to trim, it looks like I might want to trim it a little bit here, so after the glue dries we can trim it. And the back, I was going to add another pocket, and you can just do it denim or with this. Let's do denim on the back. And I'm just doing the same thing, glue on the two sides and the bottom. And I'm just kind of lining it up with the bottom and centering a little bit. And then on this pocket, there's this little clock with some floral around it, so maybe we'll just glue that right onto the pocket. And there's this very cute little, it's a folded, it's this right here. So you're just gonna cut it out and then fold it, and I inked. And I thought, everything's very little, putting a little tassel. So I'm just gonna put glue, maybe a little more on the side. I want it to kind of hang off so you can see it. So maybe something like this, and have a little tassel on your book. I thought that was a little cute. And let's see what else we could do. So these are little envelopes, and these are here. So you can do a couple of different things with them. So if you print on double-sided paper, you have options, obviously, of which way you want it to be. You can just glue the whole thing closed, so it's just an envelope and you slide it in. You can leave the top opened, so we can maybe put like a certificate or something inside, whatever you want to do, but you can definitely play around with this. So right now on this one, I'm just, getting glue everywhere, but I was attempting to just glue on the two sides, but like I said, it is very little, so yeah. And then this way it would be, if I didn't glue it shut, you could slide some things into it if you want. And this one, maybe we'll just completely glue closed. So I'm just going to put glue everywhere. The other thing you can do is just put glue and then leave the side open so you can slide something in too. So I'm just going to do that. And then with this one, let's see. And then you can put another little tag back here. And you have these little stamps with matching flowers on them. So depending on where you want to put that, and maybe I'll just add this in here with that little tassel. And then there's these little note cards with little tiny tabs on the top. One's in pink and one's in yellow. And maybe we could glue like a flower onto one of them here. And that can be, and so there's definitely some additional pieces to play with and do whatever, is fun for you. And I don't know, I was surprised. I don't normally work with gingham and denim, and I really like it. So there you go. And then, okay, this piece here, which is right here, I did it for a closure. So, and again, you can use either side you want. I'm going to keep it on the denim side. And you can cut it to fit, just depending, wait till you're finished filling it because this could get a little chunky. And then just lightly, you don't want to make it too tight because this is going to slide. So you just want to put some glue. Like I said, don't make it so you can still slide it. Don't make it too tight. And then I thought we could add, you could do a butterfly, you can do one of the stamps is kind of cute. So let's do that. And you could definitely cut this and have it line up in a different place. Let's see. I don't know, I think that looks kind of pretty. And then this, I have it stuck in the, yeah, because you have a back pocket, you do have to be a little careful that things will stick. But you don't have to use the back pocket. If you want to glue this down inside something, then don't use the back pocket, and then you do more on the inside. And let's maybe just add a little flower here. And I don't know, just play around, have some fun. This is pretty, a little rose. And let's see what we have. So we have some more notes, a little garden finds certificate, a stamp. There's another little envelope we can just slide in the pocket. And let's see, I'm forgetting this side. More envelopes. We could put a little stamp in that pocket, and maybe that little certificate, and our butterfly. Guess we could glue him up here if we, oh, you know what, maybe I'll do the other side. That looks kind of cute. And we're getting to the end of the glue, but I do think we have some left. So let's go ahead and, yeah, and you want to try to stay off the fold lines if you can, because it will be hard to fold. Okay. And you can just slide your little tab back on. And there you go. And now we have our little tiny mini, oh, and I forgot this little tassel. What do you think? I think we'll glue it right underneath, right here. Maybe like that. Okay, so let's see what we have. Move the glue out of the way. All right, so you have your little belly band or holder, or whatever you want to call it. And you don't have to do that if you would prefer, you know, to just seal it with the flower or a stamp. And then, so you have your little fold-up pocket that we did here with a little tag and certificate. And then inside this pocket, we have a couple of envelopes and a little note card. And it keeps, the glue is not dry yet. So But you have your double pocket here, double angle pocket, and then a single angle, a larger one with the butterfly and this little book, which you could do something inside of that as well. And our little envelope. And then of course we have the back, denim pocket with the clock and a couple little tag and stamp, which you could glue on somewhere if you'd like. And all right, well, we got it all together. So anyway, I will put the link below. If you're interested in the kit, it is in the Ko-fi shop. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you end up making this, please share a copy in our Facebook group. I really love to see what you guys make. And also, and I put in the Facebook group, it's not just for sparkle and glue. So if you're working on a project from someone else or your own project, I would love to see it in our group. Share. I am fine with that. Please, you can, we're not trying to do selling, a lot of selling, so I don't want people to feel uncomfortable, but you are certainly welcome to put your logo or a link to your shop or whatever you want. I mean, we're all about doing the same thing and, just creating and having fun and enjoying. And so please, feel free, go over to the group, share with us. Help people if they have questions. That's, what I'm looking for is just us to all be a really great, happy, sparkly community. Anyway, all right, enough of my story. Anyway, thanks for stopping by my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'd love to keep you here and have you watch other videos. Okay, take care. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.